Hey there, I'm Chris Ponick, Certified Public Accountant, Certified Coach, and the host of the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast. And I want to welcome you to this new series that I'm doing on this podcast. My intention is to drop one of these additional episodes every Monday while I continue to provide you with the regular Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast episodes, which will continue to help you take control of and understand your business finances with topics that ultimately impact your bottom line. I have many business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals who listen to this podcast, and I want to get more help out there for individuals like you when it comes to mastering your mindset. I'll be taking a few moments each week to touch on topics that many high-stress professionals are dealing with and provide solutions to help you increase your overall well-being. Because I know your time is valuable, just like the Mastering Your Small Business Finances podcast, my goal is to keep these episodes short and straight to the point, but full of useful information to help you succeed in not only your professional life, but your personal life as well. Are you protecting your peace or are you avoiding discomfort? We all know that boundaries are healthy, right? They help protect our peace, preserve our energy, and define how we allow others to show up in our lives. But here's something that most people don't talk about. Sometimes what we think is a boundary is actually us avoiding something or someone. Let me ask you this. Have you ever told yourself, I'm just setting a boundary? But deep down, if you're being honest, you were really just putting off an uncomfortable situation. I know I've been there, and chances are you have too. But please know that if you have been there, you're not alone. There's a substantial difference between a boundary that protects your peace and avoidance that masks resentment. And that difference is the main thread of today's episode. So let's dive in. First, let's dig deeper into the sneaky difference between boundaries and avoidance. Let's say that you stop returning someone's calls. You say it's a boundary, but when you think about it, you're still upset about something. You replay that last conversation. You tell yourself the story over and over in your head, maybe even to other people. You feel tense, and you know you're upset. In this situation, it isn't peace. It's avoidance masking itself as a boundary. If confidence is built through taking action, then avoidance is the opposite. It's the inaction driven by fear, by resentment, or by the desire to not feel something uncomfortable. Boundaries, on the other hand, come from clarity. They come from self-respect, not self-protection. It's okay to avoid someone. You don't owe your time to everyone. You get to choose not to engage. But the key is, do you feel good about that choice? Are you doing it from a place of love and peace, or are you doing it from anger and resistance? I had a client who said that she set a boundary with her sister. No more late-night calls venting about her ex-husband. It sounded healthy on the surface, but when we started to dig deeper, what was really happening was that she didn't want to have the hard conversation. She didn't want to say, I don't have the emotional capacity to continue spending every night listening to you vent about your ex-husband. So instead of setting a clean boundary, she ghosted her sister. She avoided her. And guess what? The resentment, it didn't go away. It only grew. That's what I want to help you with today. Let's get honest about your intentions. Are you truly setting a boundary because it supports your growth? Or are you trying to escape the emotional work of managing a difficult relationship? If the quality of your life is built around the quality of each of your relationships, and you're avoiding relationships without examining your emotions around them, you're robbing yourself of powerful growth in your life. If this topic resonates with you, don't wait. The rest of this episode is waiting for you inside my free private podcast, Mastering Your Mindset Moments. It's created specifically for business owners, accountants, and high-stress professionals just like you. People who are done feeling overwhelmed, burnt out, or stuck in survival mode, and are ready to live a happier, healthier, and more fulfilling life. When your schedule is packed and the pressure is high, it's easy to lose sight of why you're working so hard. Inside this private podcast, I share quick, powerful mindset and productivity tools that you can apply right away, even during your busiest seasons, to reduce stress, reclaim your time, and enjoy the life that you've worked so hard to achieve. It's free to join, and you'll get instant access when you go to financialadventure.com/private. Don't put this off. This podcast is your shortcut to meaningful results in just a few minutes a week. Your next step towards feeling more in control, less overwhelmed, and finally enjoying a more balanced lifestyle again is only one episode away. I'll post links to this and other valuable resources for business owners, accountants, and other high-stress professionals where you're listening to this podcast.